Good morning student. आज आम्ही फर्स्ट এটা কমপ্লিট কোয়েশ্চন লৈ আহিম যিমানখিনি আমি এই টপিক কোম্পানী একাউন্টত কৰিলো এই গোটেইখিনি অলমান থকা আমি এটা কোয়েশ্চন ফার্স্ট পুট কৰিম দেন এটা সলভ কৰিম A Limited issue 10,000 shares of rupees 10 each issue at premium of rupees 2 per share rupees 2 per share which was payable rupees 2 on application rupees 5 on allotment including premium two on first call and rupees 3 on final call. Application were received for 12,000 shares and company rejected 2,000 shares and remaining accepted in full Application was received for 12,000 shares and company rejected 2,000 shares and remaining accepted in full. All money was duly subscribed and paid off except a holder of 200 shares failed to pay both the cost money. This share were forfeited and all these shares were reissued at the rate of 7 per share fully paid passed on an first question 10,000 shares 10 টাকা কে ইস্যু করেছে ইনক্লুডিং প্রিমিয়াম issue 10,000 shares at the rate of rupees 10 plus rupees 2 premium equal total 12. Application received for 12,000 shares. Application received for 12,000 shares. Out of this, G2 share excess received for is 2,000. A share to reject kora house. और यार पैसा के लिए रिफंड कर दिया हो तो एप्लीकेशन रिसीव फॉर 12,000 shares and company rejected 2,000 shares and remaining are accepted in full. All the money were duly subscribed and paid off except as on holder 200 shares of paisa na idea both first call rupees 2 and final call rupees 3 per share. এখানে এই শেয়ার টো কোম্পানি ফরফিট করে দিয়েছে and later this share will reissue at the rate of 7 per share fully paid up. So in these positions first yet company share issue করেছে তার কারণে application allotment first call final call entries there is an adjustment of oversubscription which is extended to oversubscription of 2,000 shares. There is a call scenario of a holder of 200 shares. There is a forfeiture of shares and there is a reissue of shares. So, I question to put it on the number first entry bank account debit to equity share application account 12,000 share received করেছিলে application rate of 2 into 2 24,000 being application money received on 12,000 shares at the rate of 2 per share. Next, for transfer of application money hame ekaloge refund to eketa entry rupai din. Number 2, equity share application account debit to equity share capital to bank account. So first 12,000 shares of 2 rupees equity share application of 24,000. Out of this 2,000 shares দুটো কাকে refund করে দিব 4,000 and remaining 20,000 is transferred to share capital. Account. So first application money received and then application money transfer. From in this question, এই কোয়েশ্চন তোমার তোমালোক ওভারঅল যিমানখিনি আমি পঢ়িলো তোমার রিভিজন হৈ যাব। তো ফার্স্ট আমি অ্যাপ্লিকেশন এন্ট্রি পাস কৰিলো, দেন allotment money due including premium account debit to equity share, capital account, equity share allotment account debit to equity share capital account to security premium account. So total allotment money is 5 including premium. Now 10,000 into 5, 10,000 into 5, 50,000. 10,000 into 2, 20,000 transferred to security premium account and remaining share capital account. Bank allotment money due including premium on 10,000 shares at the rate of 5 per shares. Now after due entry, next the allotment is received. Number 4, bank account debit to equity share allotment. To equity share allotment, bank allotment money received. 50,000. So application is complete, allotment is complete. In case of application আমি এবারকো oversubscription adjustment করিলো. In case of allotment, আমি again about security premium of issue of share at premium. Next, call money. Now first share first call, rupees 2. Number 5th, equity share first call, account debit to equity share capital. Equity share first call account debit to equity share capital. 10,000 into 2. The rate of first call is 2. 10,000 into 2. 20,000. Next, the call money received. Bank account debit. But here all the money was received except a holder of 200 share who had failed to pay at the first and final call. So first call of first share of paisa receive kora hua hai. So these are calls in area. So calls in area debit to equity share first call. So equity share first call due was 20,000. There is 10,000 into 2. Out of these 200 share, দুটো কাকে কলস নিয়ে দেওয়া হয় 400 তো রিসিভ করিব 19,600, that is 9,800 share দুটো কাকে রিসিভ। তো যেহেতু ডিউ হয়েছিল 10,000 share দুটো কাকে 20,000, out of these 200 shares are calls in area, 9,800 share of 2 rupees ke 19,600 receive hoga. There is an entry for first call. Now second call, that is final call. Seventh entry, final call. Equity share final call account debit to equity share capital account. 10,000 shares into 3, being final call money due on 10,000 shares at the rate of 3 per share. Next, receive entry. Number 8, bank account debit, calls in area debit to equity share final call account. So final call due is 30,000. Out of this again 200 share of final call पैसा दिया हुआ है, 200 shares into 3, that is 600. 600 is calls in area. Remaining 29,400 is received on first call. 29,400 is received on first call. The call, so application is complete, allotment is complete, first and final call is complete. Now this share were forfeited. A দুটো শেয়ার ফরফিচার করা হয়েছে। तो शेयर कैपिटल नंबर 9 एंट्री, शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट number of forfeited share into called up 2000, 2 share first call of দুটো share দুটো ভাগে 200 share into 2 400, 2 final call 200 share into 3 600, and the balance transferred to share forfeiture account, to share forfeiture account. দুটো share 10 টাকাকে 2000 টাকা কল করা হয়েছিল, তার 400 ফার্স্ট কল সফা ফাইনাল কল কলস ইন এরিয়া দেওয়া হল, and remaining 1000 is received. So this is the entry for forfeiture of 200 shares due to non-payment of final call and first call at the rate of 2 and 3. Now, all these shares were reissued. Next, the reissue entry. All the shares were reissued. At the rate of 7 per share, bank account debit, number of reissue into rate 1400, 2 share capital, number of reissue into paid up, that is fully paid up 2000, that means the share are reissue at a discount which is transferred to share forfeiture account, 200 into 3, 600. Here the forfeiture is credited 1000 and here 600. So 1000 minus 600 equal to 4100, which is transferred to capital reserve. That is equity share forfeiture account debit to capital reserve rupees 400 is the last 11th entry. So now a question number to holes company account issue part to revision hole. Now I mean the duta examination question porikha loha question hoye. So students, আমি last 2015, 16, 17 from company account কি question আহিছিলে share ওপৰত আমি অলপ discuss কৰো. Now the first question, examination question. X Limited decide to forfeit 1000 shares, to forfeit 1000 shares of 10 each of rupees 10 each for non-payment of allotment 4, for non-payment of allotment 4, first call, first and final call 3, first and final call rupees 3 per share. Give journal entry for forfeiture. Give journal for forfeiture. Forfeiture of shares. Very easy questions for 2 marks. X Limited decide to forfeit 1000 shares of 10 each for non-payment of allotment of rupees 4 and first and final call of rupees 3 per share. Just entry pass for forfeiture of shares. So what is the entry? Here share capital account debit. Share capital account debit. Number of forfeited shares, that is 1000 into called up, rate is 10,000 to share allotment account, to share first call, to share first and final call. So first call rate is 4, so 1000 into 4, 4000. Next 1000 into 3, 3000. And remaining transfer to share forfeiture, to share forfeiture account. That is 3000. Being forfeiture of 1000 shares due to non-payment of allotment and first and final call money. This question is for 2 months. Next question is for theory questions. What do you mean by forfeiture of shares? What do you mean by forfeiture of shares? And discuss the procedure for forfeiture of share. Discuss the procedure of forfeiture of shares. So already আমি आप discuss করিছো को দিয়া আছে তো what is forfeiture of share and discuss the procedure of forfeiture of share. Next, what is preliminary expenses what is preliminary expenses? Write short notes. Write short notes. Calls in area. Calls in area. Calls in advance. Calls in advance. Preference shares. Already discussed calls in areas, calls in advance, preferences. So students, the theory question is also very important for exams. This one question of my example did here. So what is share capital? What are the types of share capital? What is calls in area, calls in advance, preference share, right issue? What is preliminary expenses? What are the items including preliminary expenses? What is forfeiture of share? What are the procedure of forfeiture of shares? What are the types of share capital? What is the difference between reserve capital and capital reserve? Okay, so these are the very important theory question for exam. And here what is the company account of issue of share capital. Issue of share capital. This part is complete. The next, issue of debentures and redemption of debenture. Thank you.